Have you seen the movie Iron Man with Tony Stark? He leverages AI to help him create his amazing suit. If you can imagine this, then you can imagine what we're trying to create at Enzzo. Helping people create awesome products faster with an AI-powered teammate and service. Being able to understand your customers faster. Understanding the competitive landscape faster. Helping you ideate on new products that you can imagine and that you want to realize. In the next few minutes, we're going to focus on this service and how we're using generative AI to unlock ideas for customers around the world. This is Enzzo, and what we're looking at here are awesome products that have been created using our service. These are just a few examples. We offer the ability to ideate with AI to help flesh out your idea. We also support the ability to make new products. When you select to make a new product, we support making a new version of an existing product or making a brand new product. We'll get into that in a second. We also use the information that the user provides to actually generate a workspace for them that has a variety of information that you and your team can use to flesh out your product. So let's see what this experience is like. I'm going to make a brand new product, and here in Enzzo, we're using 7 different models coming together to help the user to get the best product outputs that they can. So we're going to ask Enzzo to please help us make a home pizza oven. We love pizza in my house, and we need a awesome pizza oven. So what problems does this pizza oven aim to solve? Enzzo's already captured a few potential ideas: quick heat up, consistent temperature. We're going to go with aesthetically appealing for urban kitchens and the ability to control from an app or Alexa. So what we're going to do here is converse with Enzzo for a few minutes to help flesh out our product. So who do we imagine will be using this product? Well, we've got a few different, we're going to go with urban professionals and tech-savvy home cooks. So Enzzo automatically begins generating a description of this product, and we can continue to flesh out our idea. So what features and functions? So it suggested a few things: custom temperature presets, AI for precise cooking control. Yes, we want both of those. Let's add those. We also want app, iOS, Android. So maybe that's like React. And we want to have voice support via Alexa. So these are just a few things that we want to include in our product, and it will help flesh out additional ones. It wants to know about regulations that we should be aware of, and it can help research these. We're going to have to be aware of UL cert for kitchen appliances, for example, FCC for wireless. So let's say, please include all that are required for USA. All right, so on the right-hand side, our screen is continuously updating as we talk through this product that we want to create. So we've got any budget constraints for this product. Let's say we have 100K for prototype. And we're almost through this process. You can see on the top of our page, we're almost through here. So launch market, we're going to focus on the North America market first. And I just want to kick off this process here. Target launch date, let's target October 2026. Give us some time to get this prototyped, fleshed out. Here we have a quick summary, and let's proceed with the workspace creation. So just like that, we've provided some inputs to Enzzo. We are unlocking this idea in our minds, and we are going to now generate a workspace. And what this means is Enzzo's going to capture the inputs, package them up with a bunch of prompting techniques, a lot of coding, and send these out to the various models. It's going to return a workspace like this for our home pizza oven. So while it's generating that, which takes a few minutes, I want to walk you through the type of experience that Enzzo provides, a collaborative workspace using AI plus the customer's inputs to generate this workspace. So we have a description of our product, collaborators, goals, target launch information. We have target personas. Now what's interesting about this is you can actually talk to the personas. So in this particular case, let's go ahead and find a young urban professional and let's call them. This is using AI, synthetic AI, to actually create a persona that we can converse with.
Hello, I'm here to chat with you about the home video calling device. As a fellow tech enthusiast, I'm interested in how this device might fit into our work-from-home setups.
Awesome. Can you tell me a little bit about your key use case that you would have for a product like this?
Sure. My key use case for a home video calling device would be to improve the quality and ease of making professional and social video calls. Connecting through my home.
Thank you so much. We will talk more later. So once we leave the call, it's actually captures the notes from the call, and we can export this into a transcript that we can use to improve our requirements or understanding of our target customer. If you're a company, you can upload your personas as well. Enzzo generates requirements. This is awesome. We have a huge list of requirements, and we also can do things like put them in, create Jira tickets, make a Confluence page, or export to a CSV. We're also using AI to let's add a new feature. Let's add Apple Find My, so we can find this device if we ever lose it. And what this is going to do is it's actually going to send this off, our simple one sentence request, and it generates a new requirement for us. It identifies risks, mitigations, concept imaging. This is super cool. You can have a bunch of different concepts. We're using multiple models. You can also download a 3D model in a few minutes, just here, right from your workspace. Identifies competitors, features, provides sources for those features, and you can export this as well. So you can understand how do you differentiate, how do you stack up against the competitors. We also do components, so electrical components. This is all generated through AI, plus in this case a third-party service called Octoparts, which is bringing in components and pricing. We also help customers generate documents, PDF documents for PRDs, for example. We also support the ability to now upload your own document templates. We do competitive table, product overview deck, customer surveys. You can add product knowledge, and you can even create a sample web page of your product so that you can share that with potential customers. Let me just click on it here. Here's an example. This is real JavaScript generated in about 10 minutes using Enzzo. So you've got a real website that you can share out to get feedback on your product. So this is a quick overview of what Enzzo creates. I'm going to hop back over into our pizza oven. So here we have our home pizza oven. We have some target customers that it's already generated for us. A 45-year-old restaurant owner, an interior designer in LA, 28-year-old marketing specialist in a small urban apartment in New York, and a software engineer in San Francisco. We have some requirements for this particular product that have been generated. We've got our iOS and Android app. We can flesh out the details there. Voice control via Alexa, risks, mitigations, concept imagery for our home pizza oven. Wow, these are significant. So what we can do here, wow, these we can also ask to generate new images. We can edit the prompt if we want, or we can further iterate on these ideas. Enzzo's looking for the competitors right now, and this is just a quick example of how the service works to be able to use AI to unlock your ideas to create new products. So that's Enzzo. It's a quick preview of how companies can use AI to rapidly ideate, augment their thinking, and help their teams be more productive.